Hey guys, welcome back to my channel after a very long break. I hope you are still there, and I really appreciate every one of you that are still subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate that, and I hope you will like my new videos. Today I'm going to talk about ColourPop palette Big Leo Energy. I bought this, I guess, on the Black Friday sale, and I have mostly ColourPop palettes in my collection nowadays because I think these are very good quality, and I am satisfied fully with what they offer. So yeah, ColourPop is my favorite brand for eyeshadows. So let's start. ColourPop has palettes inspired by astrology signs. I bought this one because I like the colors. So yeah, this is the packaging. I think it's ColourPop has really beautiful packagings. They really put very big effort to this. And yeah, this is the palette. And it has 2 shimmers and 2 matte eyeshadows. I will swatch them for you in a second. So here are swatches of these eyeshadows, and I have to say that the formula is different than in 9pan palettes because it is more dry but also a little bit more pigmented and also harder to blend. But I can't say it's a bad formula. It's really good too. But I actually kind of preferred the formula from the 9pan palettes. But this isn't bad. It's maybe a little bit more challenging to work with. These shimmers might appear not so shimmery, but they are actually look really good on the eyes. The first shade, which is called A Star Is Born, this pink one, this is actually a pink with a gold shimmer, but the shimmer is not really showing that much. It's more like a flat finish. I will show you 2 looks, and in this one I placed this matte orange eyeshadow on my lid, as you can see. Then I placed the matte brown shade in my outer corner and on my lower lash line. You can intensify the color by adding more, and I will do it later. Then I added the orange matte shade to the inner part of my lower lash line. And the last part is adding shimmer. I added, as you can see, the gold shimmer on my lid, and I also added this golden pink one in my inner corner. You can add also eyeliner, but I didn't because I have hooded eyes, so eyeliner doesn't look good for me. And I also need to add mascara, but I didn't because I needed to take off my makeup because I needed to go out soon. So yeah, this is the first look. And sorry for my shaky hands today. So the second look is without the dark brown in my outer corner. I forgot to film the first step, but the first step was the same as in the first look, and it was the orange matte shadow on the upper lid, and then I added gold shimmer on the on whole of my lid, And then I added this dark matte brown on the lower lid. And this is the finished look. I added also the rose gold shimmer in my inner corner. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked my first video after the song break, and I'm going to work on my quality and on other things. This was like in a hurry kinda, but I wanted to record for you something. So see you guys in my next videos. Bye guys.